evening all. We are honored to have with us Damodarji Naik, Damu Naik, as everyone knows in Goa. He's been recently elected as President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Goa Pradesh. We are really honored to have him as a chief guest. Damu Bhai, as we know, has been very active in Goa politics. He was a student leader, and right from his days as earlier Swayam Sevak of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, and then as ABVP, he has traveled his journey very high. He was elected to Fazada constituency, and from that onwards he has never seen back. He also had a position with Bharatiya Yuva Morcha and National Executive member. So along with them we have our guest of honor Rajendra Ji Bhobe, who is Vibhag Sanchalak of RSS Goa, a chartered accountant by profession, and we are really honored to have him as a guest, and would like to have some inputs from him as well. So as we go to the program, I want to say I am really honored to stand before you today to celebrate a remarkable milestone. That is the 9th anniversary of Moldi Goa. 9 years ago, we embarked on a journey to create this world-class mall, shopping mall and entertainment destination in heart of Goa. Moldi Goa has become an iconic landmark, attracting millions of visitors from country and the globe. Our mall has played host to numerous events, launches and activations, cementing its position as a hub for entertainment, lifestyle and community engagement. As we progress, we do face some challenges, like what we are having today is the flyover issue which is happening. But we are very hopeful that the flyover issue will be sorted in coming a year's time, and we'll be back to the normal days. Then we could see a lot of footfalls coming again. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude and thanks to each and every of the visitors to the mall who has come and patronized us and helped us grow from being from launching till date, that is 9 years. It's a huge thanks to all our customers and our shoppers. I'd also like to thank our valued tenants and thank you for our partnership and trust shown in us. When we started this journey, Goa was not even in top 100 landscape markets of malls in India. You talk about Goa, we were not in top 100 destinations of mall. Still, we took this risk. We had a confidence in ourselves. We had a confidence in Goans. We knew Goans wanted to shop, get new brands, but they should do like going to other neighboring states like Mumbai and Bangalore and Delhi and shop from there. We did see this as an opportunity and took up this challenge and built this mall. And since then, our Goan brothers and sisters have really helped us grow. They are not to put us down. I also thank our valued tenants who came forward and opened the shops with us. As you know, Moldi Goa is on a lease basis. So all our shops are being leased by tenants from Goa and outside. I thank them for showing faith in us and being a part of our journey. I would also like to thank all our team members, including the management, Ganesh, Kadam, Jessica, technical team, maintenance team, security team. I may forget on something to tell you, but I'd like to thank to each and every person who has contributed to making this mall a grand success. To our team members, I applaud your tireless efforts in ensuring that our mall remains a welcoming and enjoyable destination for all our visitors. Once again, thank you for being part of Moldi Goa family. Here's to many more years of success, growth and making memories together. By saying this, I end my few words and would look forward to our chief guest to telling us more about his experience. Thank you very much.
कर्मचारी वर्ग, टेनंट्स आणि विजिटर्स, गेस्ट, आज मॉल ओपन केल्ल्याक 9 वर्सां जाली. इनफॉर्मली राजेश शेटाकडे उलयता आसतना अशें कळ्ळें की ह्या मॉलान तांचे स्वताचे एम्प्लॉईज, तशें हांगा जे वेगवेगळे हे आसात शॉप्स आसा तांचे अशें धरून जवळ जवळ 1200च्या वयर एम्प्लॉईज आसात. आणि एका व्हडल्या एका बिल्डिंगेन इतले लोक काम करप आनी तांकां तांचो एक सोर्स ऑफ इनकम मेळप इज रियली एप्रिशिएबल. आय रिमेंबर मॉल सुरू जावचे पयलीं काही वळखीचे लोक सदांच सांगता मॉल तो कसो चलतलो कितें जातलो. जशें आतां भुवनान सांगलां तशें गोवन्स अँड वेरियस एंटरप्रिन्युअर्स हॅव पॅट्रोनायज दीस मॉल. आनी खरोच एक जरी आतां फ्लायओवर सुद्दां हांगा जाता दॅट इट वील रिटेन इट्स इम्पॉर्टन्स. आनी परवरी हॅज बिकम लायक हैदराबाद अँड सिकंदराबाद तशी परवरी हॅज बिकम अ ट्वीन सिटी along with Panji. So definitely, and it has come up residentially and commercially. Parwari has developed in leaps and bounds. So I really appreciate and congratulate Sheth Brothers for taking this decision and entering into mall culture and mall venture. परतून एकदा तांकां I wish them all the best and also wish all the success to them as well as their employees and other stakeholders. धन्यवाद.
चेअरमॅन आमचे मॉल दी गोवा मिस्टर भुवन शेठ, लावण्य शेठ, आयज आमचे हातूंत गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर आसात आमचे मित्र तशेंच मार्गदर्शक श्री राजेंद्र भोबेजी, त्याच बरोबर राजेश, हांगसर बशिल्ले आमचे मित्र गौतम करंगटे, सागर गोवेकर आनी तुमी सगळे हांगसर. म्हणजे सगळ्यांत पयलीं आय टेक दीस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू कॉंग्रेच्युलेट मॉल दी गोवा ऑन कंप्लीशन ऑफ 9 years. So let's have hands together for their contribution to state. In fact, I was discussing with Mr. Bhuvan. So what is the footfall? So he was telling me that before COVID it was 10,000 per day, and which gradually came down to 60% after COVID because of live. ही एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेतला ताका कॉंग्रेच्युलेट इतल्या खातीर करता. इज ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रिब्युटींग टू स्टेट इकॉनॉमी. एज अ मॉल दी गोवा पर मंथ 50 लाख ते 60 लाख रुपये गव्हर्मेंट ट्रेजरीन घालतनाच बाकीचे टेनंट्स अँड शॉपर्स आसात ते सुद्दां आपल्यालो पर मंथ मोर ऑन लेस अबाउट 10 lakh to 20 lakh सरकाराक घालतात. आतां मॉल दी गोवा हे आमचे भितर एक कोंकणीन उलयतना एक गजाल सांगता हांव. मॉल दी गोवा हे मॉल जो आसा कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट न्यू फॉर इंडियन कल्चर. आतां तुमी म्हणटाले तुमी कितें सांगता काय म्हणून. दो इट इंट्रोड्यूस इयर्स बॅक आमचे भितर टू पर्क्युलेट जावपाक इट टूक मेनी इयर्स. गोवन कम्युनिटी आसतली कितें खंयचे भितर आमचे खातीर मॉल खंयचे आशिल्लें. यू जस्ट रिकलेक्ट द ओल्ड मेमरीज. यू जस्ट ट्राय टू रिकलेक्ट. आमचे खातीर मॉल आशिल्लें म्हणटा ती जात्रा आनी फेस्त. एका जाग्याचेर वन प्लेस वेर यू वील गेट एवरीथींग रायट फ्रॉम दॅट पीन टू लास्ट प्लेस. कितें जाय तें एका जाग्याचेर मेळटलें. सो कम्युनिकेशन तेन्ना नाशिल्लें. तेन्ना कितें म्हणटा तें दळण वळणाची साधनां कमी आशिल्लीं. त्या वेळाचेर आमी कितें करताले, आमी जात्रेक वताले आनी वी यूज्ड टू स्टे ओवरनायट एट आवर म्हणजे कोण जे सैल आसा ते सैलांचेर रावताले आनी दुसरे दीस जात्रा कितें जाली की बाजार करपाक वताले. तर बाजार सगळेच आसतालो. बाजार आयदनांचो आसतालो, बाजार कपड्यांचो आसतालो, बाजार खावपाच्या खाद्याचो आसतालो, बाजार सगळें मेळटालें. आनी हे त्या जात्रेच्या निमतान 2-3 दीस पळय जाताले तातूंत भितर ती इकॉनॉमी थंय आसताली. म्हणजे त्या इकॉनॉमीक खातीर म्हणजे आमी पयशे सगळे दवरताले खंय दवरताले, जात्रेक लागून दवरताले. जात्रेक म्हणून न्ही थंयच्या दुकानान आमकां कितें कितें लागता. अजुनूय गोंयान एक कल्चर आशिल्लें पुरामेताचें फेस्त. पुरोमीत म्हळ्यार कितें तर फुडले 4 म्हयने पावसाक लागून कितें कितें लागता तें सगळें हाडून घरा दवरपाचें. सो म्हणून तें एका जाग्याचेर मेळटालें. सो तो कॉन्सेप्ट तो आशिल्लो मॉलाचो. म्हाका याद जालो म्हणून हांव सांगता इतल्या खातीर न्ही की ट्रेंड बदलला. फक्त कॉन्सेप्ट तोच आसा, ट्रेंड बदलला. बट स्टील बोडगेश्वराचे थंय फेरी लागून नाल्यार खंयचे जात्रेक लागून आमचो जो लोक पळय मॉल म्हणून थंय वतात आनी हें घेता ते अजुनूय घेता. फक्त थंयची सिस्टम इज मातशी लिटल बीट सेपरेट दॅन द मॉल. बिकॉज द मॉल आमकां दिसतना मॉल इज अ हायर सॉफिस्टिकेटेड कल्चर अँड दॅट इज ऑल्सो एलायड क्लास. दॅट इज फॉर एलायड क्लास म्हणून. बट इट्स नॉट. आतां हळू हळू रायट फ्रॉम द म्हणजे म्हणजे तो कितें 4 रुपये जोडू फ्रॉम दॅट D class एम्प्लॉई टू high class. Everybody comes to mall, everybody loves mall because food section, entertainment section, मागीर get together इतले जात आसतना मॉलान सैरी कधी जातात. विल नॉट बिलीव. माझे कडेन 10 तरी एग्जाम्पल आसतली. खंय मेळया मॉलान मेळया नाजाल्यार आमी मॉलान एकमेकाक पळोवपाचें. सिरियसली आय मीन इट. आनी ते जाता तातूंत भितर फॉर कॉलेज हें बीन जें हें आसता तांचे खातीर सुद्दां एक जर समजा सेकेंड हें खंय आसा म्हणजे टायमपास म्हणया ऑर एंटरटेनमेंटाक खंय आसा चल आमी मॉलान या लेट्स हॅव इन मॉल दी गोवा. आनी गोवान जर सगळ्यांत जर बरें जर आतां जर खंयचें मॉल आसा जाल्यार तें मॉल दी गोवाचेंच नांव आसा. आनी आयज हांगा उबो रावलो खरें म्हणल्यार आय एम ऑल्सो प्रावड ऑफ मिस्टर सेठ कुटुंबी दोज हू हॅव in this business since last 9 years and contributed for the state. आणि अशेंच तांच्यांनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट केला. आनी म्हाका दिसता दे हॅव म्हणजे केप्ट वन बेंचमार्क एक नांव दवरलां. आनी तातूंत भितर आयज तांचें सगळ्यांचें कौतुक करप तांचो सन्मान करप हें ते करतात. त्या खातीर तांचें हांव कौतुक करतां. म्हाका हांगा आपयलो. म्हाका ही दामू नायक प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जाला म्हणटकीर म्हाका हांगा संद मेळ्ळी. हांव नॉर्मली फंक्शनां कमी घेता खूब आसतात म्हणून पण हो चान्स म्हाका मेळटा की एक लास्ट सांगपाक वतना की 27 हें याद दवरा म्हणून हांव लोकां मदीं एक जागृती जावपाक जाय. सो म्हाका दिसता त्या निमतान तरी जातली काय ना बरोबर न्ही. येस दॅट्स इट. आनी म्हणून तुमचे सगळ्यांचे देव बरें करूं म्हणटाना मॉल दी गोवान आनी कितें हेजें नवीन कितें आसतलें डिस्कावंटेड हें तें बीन कितें आसतलें तें घेवपाक तुमी येवचें. हांव तुमचो एडवर्टायज करता हय थ्रू मिडिया दर इज इलेक्ट्रॉनीक मिडिया वय. सो मॉल दी गोवान येया कितें खरेदी करप डिस्कावंट सगळे कडेन आसा. आनी गोंयचे इकॉनॉमीन इल्लें तुमचे भितर योगदान आसचें इतलें मागता आनी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
दामूभाई नायक प्रेसिडेंट BJP तसेच राजेंद्र सर बोबे विभाग सहचालक आणि ऑल द अवर वेलविशर्स अवर पार्टनर्स अँड अवर कस्टमर्स गुड इवनिंग अँड वेलकम टू दिस प्रोग्राम. ॲज आता सगळे सांगला 9 years seems a long time but for us it has just flown by. आणि सगळे with all the help and support from the tenants by showcasing the best what they can offer to the customers here and our customers from Togorin, from entire Goa and from all around the world who have visited Goa for shopping regularly, visiting the mall regularly. It's a big thank you. दामू सरान सांगिल्ले भशेन earlier shopping used to be more like unorganized. This is just an organized way of doing it. It helps us, it helps the economy because government also gets from it, especially when it is an organized economy. Government tends to earn a good amount of revenue from it, which helps the government give better services to the entire state. I would, beyond this, I think I will just say thank you to all of you who have made it here and supported us in all these 9 years and will continue supporting us for the mall. And I would like to say thank you to Damu sir for taking his time out. As he rightly said, it's very easy for him to say yes to people, but then he needs to adjust his time accordingly. He's taken valuable time out to be with us. I say thank you to sir. Thank you Rajan sir also. Thank you. Thanks.
In the same category we also have Calvin Klein. Miss Malaika, can you come on stage please? In the same category, we have a new entry this year. We never thought that Crocs would perform so well at Mall de Goa. Mr. Sachin, please come forward. In the general category, we've got Market 99, Mr. Jaydeep. In the F&B kiosk sector, we've got Lakwinder Singh for Lucky Milkshake. क्या हाल है पाजी? In the smaller kiosk, I think we have Trails of Jaipur, Miss Richa. Please come on stage. The last award for cosmetic sector goes to Calabar, Miss Divya Sharma. Miss Divya Sharma. Anybody from the team?
Sahil from maintenance. We have Ratnakant. Ratnakant, please come on the stage and receive your award. We have Datta. Datta to come and receive this award. Then we have from DG department Sumit Kalangutkar. Sumit Kalangutkar. Our electrician Mayuresh Manjrekar. And from the maintenance team, Bhuvan Bhatt, Mr. Bhuvan Bhatt. From the BMS, Akshay Gaukar. Now we'll move on to another category. Then we have Robert Pinto from security. Congratulations. Then we have Samuel. Udeep Raba from security team. Anjali from the security, Anjali. And Ganesh Kalangutkar from the security team. Thank you, Rajendra Bhai.